Greetings everyone, welcome back. Today we are going to talk about food. I'm hungry. Singapore has very famous food. It is called hawker food. Let's try out what it is. First, what is a hawker? A hawker is a person who cooks and sells food. Cook and sell. That is a hawker. Say it with me. Hawker. Good. Where do hawkers work? They work in a hawker center. A hawker center is a place with many food stalls. Many people go there to eat. Say it with me. Hawker center. Excellent. Now, let's look at the food. Chicken rice, noodles, satay. Yum! So delicious. People from different cultures cook these food. Chinese food, Malay food, Indian food. Culture means how people live and eat. Singapore has many cultures, so many foods. Hawker food is cheap, delicious, famous. People from all over the world come to eat here. Okay, let's practice hawker. Say it with me. A hawker cooks and sells food. Can you say it? Good. Hawker center. People eat at a hawker center. Say it. Nice. Noodles. I like noodles. Can you say it? Wonderful. The food is delicious. Say it. Great. Quiz time. Are you ready? Question 1. What is a hawker? A person who cooks and sells food? Yes. Question 2. Where do hawkers work? In a hawker center? Very good. Question 3. Is hawker food expensive or cheap? Cheap and delicious. Wonderful. You did a great job. Next time, we shall learn how to order food in English. Are you ready to speak English at a hawker center? Don't forget to like, follow, and see you next time. Ta-ta!